Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today there is one set gasoline screw air compressor ready to ship. The air compressor equipped with a Honda gasoline engine, higher quality standard and fuel efficient. This is the outlet port of the air compressor machine and with air pressure gauge. It's very easily to operate. The air compressor has two wheels and a push rod. It's very easily and convenient to move. One person can move it to anywhere. And here it also has a lifting hole. It will be very easily to move as well. The cabinet is open type, so it will be very easily to touch any maintenance point, such as the air filter, oil air separator. It's very easily and convenient to do the regular maintenance. And here is a integrated screw end and oil air vessel so can make sure the air compressor with a small size. It also be very convenient to use it. Here is a cooler and here is the bigger size fuel tank. Okay, if you have any question about the air compressor machine, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.